dos, tres.
You ever taken a photo that looks so good that you can't wait to share it with your friends? So you quickly edit it and post it on Instagram, and then a few moments later, a professional photographer posts a photo, and then you realize that your photo looks nothing like his photo or her photo. Well, today I have something that I can show you that every photographer and every filmmaker uses to make sure that they get accurate colors on every photo, and that is as simple as calibrating your screen. It can be any screen that you use to edit your photos on. All you need to do is just quickly go into your MacBook if you use the MacBook, but today I'm just gonna show you how to calibrate your MacBook Air laptop. So these steps are as simple as this. On your MacBook Air laptop, you just need to go to settings, go to display. On display, you will be given three options. The first option will be display on the left, color in the middle, and night shift on the right. Click on color, and then color will show you all these presets. These are not the best presets. You need to tweak them a little bit so then they give you the best results. It's the same with the screen, every screen, TV, any screen, even the laptops. You need to work on the presets that they give you. So then you click on the presets. It can be the one that is set as a default, so you just use that. You're gonna have to go onto the right where it says calibrate. Click on calibrate, and then it's gonna give you some options, and it does explain why you need to calibrate. Calibrating is designed to give you the best results. Some people are fine with the default settings that they get, but some people, like filmmakers and photographers, want to take it a step further, so they are given that option. So then on your photos, you don't see greens on the sky. The sky is supposed to be blue, and your photo is just green on the sky. And on the reds, you just see purple, and you see green where it's supposed to be orange. Things like that. This gives you the most accurate colors that you can get, or the most accurate colors, or close to the colors that you saw when you were taking the photograph. So then calibrating helps to give you the best details. Even in the movies that we watch on TV, filmmakers make sure that they give us the best, but then we don't see because we use the default settings on our screens. But if we calibrate our screens, we get the best results. So then the next step would be to just click continue. You click on the square that says use native white point. Then you click continue, and then they will ask you if you want the other profiles that you have on your laptop to be calibrated as well. Then you click continue, and then you can change the name of the preset that you just made. So it's up to you, but they're just gonna say calibrated at the end, so then you know that this one is calibrated anyway, and you never have to change this again. After changing the name, you are basically done. You just click continue. After clicking continue, you get to the conclusion, and then you just need to click done. It's just those few steps on how to calibrate your MacBook Air laptop. Calibrate. This is a very difficult word to say.